There has been a military presence in the Tampa Bay area since the 1800s, and that presence continues today with U.S. Central Command headquartered at MacDill Air Force Base. U.S. Centcom's area of responsibility spreads from Egypt to Pakistan and from Yemen to Kazakhstan. Many people don't know that there is a significant Muslim community in the Tampa Bay area. It is estimated that in a population of 2.8 million, 30,000 Muslim Americans call Tampa Bay their home. The greater Tampa area has over a dozen mosques. Most serve as community centers as well. The Islamic Society of the Tampa Bay area, New Tampa Mosque, and Al-Qassam Mosque contribute to the community by serving thousands. Members of the Muslim community working at MacDill gather for Friday congregational prayers. Muslims in Tampa and all over the United States enjoy the freedom to practice their religion as they please. They are contributing members of our larger Tampa Bay community. Their diversity and contributions are another thing that make Tampa a great place to live.